Do you know what makes up a polynomial? Have you ever wondered that a complex-looking polynomial is just a sum of many simple functions? In this animation, we'll plot a sequence of simple functions and observe how they combine to form a polynomial. Let's set up our coordinate system first. The horizontal axis represents the variable x, while the vertical axis represents the function values y. Now plot a simple function, y equals 1. This is a horizontal line representing the constant term of polynomial. Next, plot a linear function y equals minus x. Now let's add these two functions. Here the respective y values, corresponding to a given x, of both the functions, are added to get new y values for the resulting function in yellow. This function has a constant term and a linear term with constant slope. Next, plot a quadratic function as shown in pink. Now add the latest function, following the same approach as earlier. We get new y values for the updated function. This function has an additional quadratic term and adds curvature to the plot. Next, plot a cubic function as shown in blue. Adding a cubic term introduces a change in concavity, causing the function to drop and rise in different regions. This demonstrates how higher degree terms influence the behavior of polynomials. Finally, plot a fourth degree function as shown in orange. Adding this term has tendency to flatten the central region while changing the steepness at edges. So we've built a fourth degree polynomial function as a sum of individual terms and noticed that each additional term contributes a distinct feature to the overall shape of the polynomial.